Hello students, our topic name is odd sounds. Odd sounds means different sounds. Okay. In the previous two classes, we have completed some words in the topic. This is the third part. Okay. What is odd? Odd means new. Odd means new sounds. It is the 19th question in our model paper. It has 4 marks. It has 4 marks in the examination. In the examination, they will give 6 words, 6 sets. We need to attempt only for 4 sets. Okay? The 2 questions are for choice. Okay? See here. Organ, order, owl. Organ, order, owl. Okay? What is the word written as the bold letter? First of all, we need to identify the bold letter which is given in the sets. Okay? First identify the bold letter. The bold letter is O. We need only O letters pronunciation. Okay? Here see here. Organ. Organ. Here O makes O sound. O sound. Next order. Here also O makes O sound. Next owl. Owl. Here O makes owl sound. So it is the different sound. These two are the same sound. Organ, order. Organ, order. The both are the same pronunciation was. It is the different. Owl is the different sound. Okay. Next. HUG, huge. HONOUR, honor. Here, H is the silent letter. We don't pronounce the letter H. Next, hungry. HUNGRY. HUNGRY, hungry. So, observe here. Here we are pronouncing H. Here also we are pronouncing the letter H. Here we don't pronounce the letter H. So, it is the different. Okay? Honor is the different. Huge, hungry are the same pronunciation. Next, USE, use, US, us, UNION, union. Okay? Observe here. What is the letter given here in the bold letter? As the bold letter? U. U is the bold letter. U. We need only U letters of pronunciation. Okay? Here, U makes the sound like U. Next, here, U makes the sound like A, as. Next, here, U makes the sound like U sound. Union, U sound. Use, U sound. Here, as, A sound. So it is the different sound. It is the different sound. Next, THAT, that, THINK, think, THOUSAND, thousand. What are the letters written as the bold letters here? TH. We need only the pronunciation of the letters TH only. So, THAT, that. THAT, that. According to the phonetics, we need to write like that. Next, think. According to the phonetics system, think. Tha means like. Think, you should like that, think, the slashes. Okay. Next, thousand. Like that. Okay. Observe here. Here, th like this. Think like this. Thousand like this. Okay. Here, th makes the sound like ta. Here also th makes the sound like ta. Think thousand. Both are the same. Here, that th makes the sound like da. Da sound. So, what is the difference here? That is the difference. Okay. Next. D-R-E-A-D. Dread. B-R-E-A-K. Break. B-R-E-A-D. B-R-E-A-D. Bread. Bread. Dread. What are the letters given here as the bold letters E-A? We need only the letter E-S, the letters E-S pronunciation. Okay? Dread. According to the phonetics, dread should be written like break, like that. Bread. Okay. Observe here the script of the dread, break, bread. Observe here. Here E comes. Here also E came. Here EI. So bread, break, bread. Bread, dread are the same sounds. Break is the different sound. Okay. T-I-N-Y, tiny, M-O-N-E-Y, money, R-E-L-Y, rely. What is the letter given here as the bold letter? Y. We need only the letter Y's pronunciation. Okay? Tiny. Here, Y makes like E sound. Money. Here also, Y makes like the sound E sound. Rely. Here, in the word rely, Y makes the sound like I sound. Tiny, money, rely. Rely is the different sound. Okay, understand? Next. Exist, exam, exercise. Exist, exam, exercise. What is the letter given here as the bold letter? X. We need only the letter X pronunciation. See here. Exist, exam, exercise. Okay. Exist, exam. The both sounds are same. Exercise. Here some K sound comes here. K sound comes here. Exercise. So it is the different. Next. Yant above apple. Yant above apple. According to the phonetics, ANT should be written like this. Above should be written like this one. Apple should be written like this one. According to phonetics. Okay. See here and observe the words. What are the script of the words? Here the same symbol, yeah. Here also same symbol. Here the different symbol. Yarn above yapple. So different sound is above. Above is the different sound. Okay? Essentially, sure, salt, silk. What is the letter given here as the bold letter S? S. We need only the pronunciation of the word S. Sure, salt, silk. Salt, silk are the same sound. Sure, sure is the different sound. Okay. Next one. Read, beak, deer. Here, ear letters are marked as the bold letters. We need only ES pronunciation. Okay? Read, beak, deer. Read, according to the phonics, reads, script is like that. Read, beak, next deer. It should be like that. Okay? Once again, see here. Read, beak, deer. What is the difference here? Deer is the different sound. Okay? Next one. Easy, escape, sad. Easy, escape, sad. Observe here, which letter is the marked as the bold letter? S, S, S. We need only the letter S pronunciation only. Easy, Z, Z, escape, S. Here, S makes like S. Sand, here also S makes like S. In the word easy, S makes like Z. So it is the different. Easy is the different. Next mix, box, Xerox. Here X is written as the bold letter. We need only the letter X pronunciation only. In the mix, X makes like mix. In the box also X makes like X. Next in the Xerox, the first X makes like Z. So it is a different. Mix box, Xerox is the different. Next, baggage, luggage, suggest. Baggage, luggage, suggest. Here the letters GG are the bold letters. Here also GG. Here also GG. We need only the letters GG pronunciation. Baggage. GG makes ga sound. Luggage. GG makes ga sound. Suggest. GG makes ja sound. Okay? Suggest is the different odd sound. Next, look, book, door. Look, book, door. Okay? Here the letters OO are written as the bold letters. OO. We need only the letters OO close pronunciation. Okay. Look. Here, OO makes the sound like oo. Book. Here also, OO letters are make like oo sound. Here, door. OO, the letters are make like O sound. So, look, book are the same. Door is the different sound, odd sound. Okay.